Philip, check color gay sugarcane. Okay. Donc on va planter. On va planter kí lorúkọ rẹ̀. Ní káwọn viewers wa. Yeah. Viewers, this is esusu. We are eating esusu. Ant. They call it flying ant.
Flying termites.
Yes.
Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
This is esusu, as in flying termite.
Very delicious.
Yes, very delicious.
Manila, that's my dad.
Yeah, I think that is
What? Cutlass. Okay. So, viewers, this is our small garden here. Okay. Yes. We plant sage leaf, bitter leaf, turkey berries. You see, this is our turkey berry. It's coming out gradually. You see, this is turkey berry. Turkey berry is very good for blood. It's for people who lost too much blood, so they can take it. You blend it. I've already shown you how I prepare it. Make it into juice.
wow.
Abi?
Yes.
As in a video.
This is our millet, eh?
Oh my God! You see, as it's tall. This is kudo. I say kudo millet.
Kudo millet.
This is our cocoyam. Ilẹ̀ gbà ọ̀rẹ́ bó ṣe tóbi. This is cocoyam. Saint leaf. African basil.
Our pawpaw is growing big. Let's go and take a look at that pawpaw. This is the second generation. Yes, they plucked everything. And it's very massive.
See as it's many.
We have many gardens.
Okay. Yellow sugarcane wa. Lemongrass.
Yes.
I want to plant lemongrass.
Philip, drop that bicycle.
Bicycle now. Kò lè wọ bí báyìí. All of it are lemongrass. This is bitter leaf.
Yes.
Bitter leaf.
Yes.
So this is lemongrass, you see. So we want to plant it inside this hole like this. I will now use sand to cover the down. Watch how we use our lemongrass to prepare lemongrass mosquito
repellent.
Yes, it's very good for us.
So we also have other lemongrass here.
Lemongrass here.
Lemongrass.
This is the second one.
I take it before.
This is the third one. And we have the fourth one here. This is the fourth one.
So let's go and cut our sugar cane.
Mama, do it.
Why are you not wearing slippers? Go and get slippers now. Wow, beautiful people.
Wow.
This is our sugar cane. This is our sugar cane. What's mature? Any branch can germinate. Or should I come and cut it? This is our sugar cane. It's about almost 6 months.
Yes.
Around January, we planted it. So.
Say.
This one has started germinating. Yes, this one. It will be very delicious.
Yeah, so why am I plant?
We can plant that one.
Am I planting?
All these ones.
Am I do no?
They will grow. So usually from here now, bottom it will be very sweet, but from here the sweetness will be reducing. So I'll cut like this.
Mommy.
Even what I get is jelly, more
to grow, to germinate, everything. Manuela, hold this one.
Hold
Wow,
it.
this.
Philip finish a ball, lock baby. Ngo, bàbá wa, wọ́n máa kọ́ tẹ̀ lọ ẹ̀ ní mọ́. Tí ẹ mọ̀ pé ó ti tóbi tó yìí. Kúrò. Àwọn yẹn ò tí ì mature. Èyí tó mature la máa ń. Gbé sílẹ̀ náà má ti di kíní mọ́ra. Bicycle. Ó tiẹ̀ lágbára bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. You use bicycle to do what? Okay. Ṣé ọmọ pójú ọ̀nà yóò smooth bí bẹ́ẹ̀?
So we are going to plant these ones. I will just leave them here. So this is our harvest.
Ṣé ẹ ní ṣó wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa plant rẹ̀? Ṣebí shovel lẹ máa fi àdá lẹ máa fi ṣe kò kí ń wọlé too much gan náà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Let me put it here.
Ẹjọ́ ṣe sí lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́.
Even the best way is to just
Yes, ó dá níbi tí omi máa ń jáde. Our place.
He's on the fence.
Okay, kò lè dúró.
This is the best way, you know, so that it will.
Wọ́n máa germinate bẹ́ẹ̀.
You see all this? All these things are roots. So if you just put it on the ground, it's only one that will germinate. But if you dig ground and bury it like this, all this one, that is why it will spread. So the purpose why I left this one, so that for photosynthesis, for it to receive sun.
Okay. Níbo ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ojú ọ̀nà níbẹ̀ wọ́n gba bẹ́ẹ̀ ara fẹ́ǹsì wà ló dà. Philip máa ń gbé báísíkù bọ̀ lóòótọ́. Nígbà ó bá lọ ṣubú láàrin orí ọkọ rẹ̀ tì.
So it will germinate from the ground. So this one will take it to the other side. All right, let's
Philip,
go and enjoy.
Manuela,
carry the.
wá gbé sugarcane.
Let's go and enjoy our sugar cane. Yeah. Manuela, take the cutlass. So, beautiful people, this is our harvest for today. Wow, this is massive. Oh yeah, let's go.
Philip, ta ló ní oúnjẹ bicycle nsìn? Manuela mú ṣúgà kú. Ó jẹ́ máa gbé bicycle ẹ̀ bọ̀ wá bí báyìí.
Wow.
Kúrò.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's me, I'll eat it.
Let's Manuela, go and get knife.
Knife.
Ẹ ní ṣọ́nù.
Let's cut it small. A lè parí gbogbo ẹ̀.
Ẹ jọ okay ẹ máa gé díẹ̀. Wọ́n bá ń gbé ẹbí.
The wash one is done. Yeah. Then sugar cane. And this one.
Máa ṣọ́ ni. Wait.
Gbogbo.
Ó ti gbó Ọlọ́run ló ní ká.
Philip,
Check it.
are you not taking sugar cane?
Ẹ kàn máa di pé wọ́n ti jìn ká lọ. Ayá mo á fi ṣọ́ ni.
Okay, ma. Come on.
Evelyn ṣe díẹ̀ ó tún wá mi wá bí báyìí ni. Follow. Philip yóò wá jà bò jẹ. Bó máa kọ́ tẹ̀gbọ́n bí báyìí ó lè rí kẹ́lẹ̀ rí jẹ. Evelyn wá gbá. Kí n bẹ ṣe?
Bring it, let me help you.
Hold on. Heaven. Okay. Ha. Wá gbá. Yẹ̀ngẹ́. Ó dùn. Aga. Cake.
Mommy, the sugarcane here.
Hey.
The plant sugarcane outside. Yes.
We need to go
Plant
and plant sugarcane now.
now.
Make it. So, what? Thank you so much for watching. This is our small garden here. You see the sugarcane.
Mama, it's papa. Papa is saying, Papa is saying, Papa is saying. Bye bye.
To us, this is sugarcane. No? This is yummy sugarcane. It's sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Mwah. Please let me taste that sugar cane. Super delicious.